Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Welcome back, children! Today, we are going to read another set of sentences. Are you ready? Let's start. I like to eat bread. Again, I like to eat bread. Your turn to read, children. I like to eat cake. Again, I like to eat cake. Your turn to read, children. I like to play with my doll. Again, I like to play with my doll. Your turn to read, children. I like to play with my pet cat. Again, I like to play with my pet cat. Your turn to read, children. I like to drink milk. Again, I like to drink milk. Your turn to read, children. I like to drink juice. Again, I like to drink juice. Your turn to read, children. I like to go to the beach. Again, I like to go to the beach. Your turn to read, children. I like to go to the park. Again, I like to go to the park. Your turn to read, children. I like to read books. Again, I like to read books. Your turn to read, children. I like to swim in the pool. Again, I like to swim in the pool. Your turn to read, children. I like to swim in the river. Again, I like to swim in the river. Your turn to read, children. I like to watch movies. Again, I like to watch movies. Your turn to read, children. I like to watch cartoons. Again, I like to watch cartoons. Your turn to read, children. I like to bake a cake. Again, I like to bake a cake. Your turn to read, children. I like to bake cookies. Again, I like to bake cookies. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read the sentences together. I like to eat bread. I like to eat cake. I like to play with my doll. I like to play with my pet cat. I like to drink milk. I like to drink juice. I like to go to the beach. I like to go to the park. I like to read books. I like to swim in the pool. I like to swim in the river. I like to watch movies. I like to watch cartoons. I like to bake a cake. I like to bake cookies. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See See you on our next lessons.